artista.
Yeah.
Nakita ko eh.
I'm still here, but you know.
Una sa lahat, anyway, I would like to thanks Jen for daling ka rito sa Perth
Thank you po. Thank you po.
para makita ang talent, the #1 talent ng Pilipinas. Sinusundan ko ang profile mo. Nag-start ka sa theater,
Opo.
and then naging comedy, naging actress,
Opo.
and most of it hinangaan kita sa pagkanta.
Yeah.
Galing, high note talagang.
Wow.
Meron ako isang tanong na mamaya gusto mo.
Wala sa itsura nga eh, pero...
I want you to answer this one. But in the first place, ang gusto kong tanong is, what is your inspiration to keep going in the showbiz industry?
Wow. I think yung willingness to just enhance, continuously enhance my talent. Because yung natutunan ko po sa mga theater mentors ko, you don't stop. When you are an artist and you consider yourself as an artist, not a celebrity, you learn.
Wow.
You learn. It is art is a continuous process of learning. So you don't stop. You don't stop. Kung artist ka lang and you're not a celebrity, dire-diretso yan. But if you are a celebrity and you consider yourself as an artist, it's double the dose.
Yeah.
Kasi what else can you give and show the people if you're old and they know that, oh, she just sings, she just dances. What else? When you turn 45, ano na bibigay mo? You've done a lot of movies, a lot of TV shows, you sang a lot of songs, but when you grow old as an artist or as a celebrity, 60 ka na, what can you give? What
Kaya nga,
more?
3 dekada, you still there.
Yeah, thank
Wow.
you.
Shining,
Almost.
di ba, almost there.
Yeah. So right now I'm just enjoying and just, you know, I become my old self because yung nag-showbiz po ako, I really adjusted a lot of things about myself, like I was always smart shamed kasi komedyante ako. Eh nung nag-aaral ako, smart shamed kasi ganito mukha ko. Bawal maging matalino pag ganito mukha. Saka bawal maging talented. So sa Pilipino kasi natin, that's the real culture natin, di ba? So we're very obsessed of beauty.
Yeah.
And everything, like
Beauty is
superficial
inside.
things like beauty and all. So, ang dami ko enjoys. And now, that I'm 47, I'm just becoming again of what I really am when I was just starting in theater. So, mas confident ako magsalita, mas naniniwala ako sa sarili ko. So, right now, I'm just planning to just enjoy, do music and do what I love, which is really music and performing rather than acting. But if there is opportunities na darating sa acting, I'm prepared to give more. Kasi I haven't been given a chance to show more. Rather than being a comedian and mukhang syunga-syunga dun sa television and pelikula, di ba?
Yeah.
So, I believe that I can give more when it comes to acting. Kasi mas magaling magpaiyak ang mga komedyante kaysa sa mga, di ba? Mas masakit pag ang komedyante ang nagpaiyak, di ba? At saka mas mahirap magpatawa kaysa magpaiyak.
Another
Diba?
question that I want to ask sa'yo. Being a good singer, kung
Ayan.
bibigyan ka ng pagkakataong makakulab sa isang awitin,
Ay, wow. Parang kunikilig si Lucia.
sino ang gusto mo na makakulab kung bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon?
Chismis yan.
Ano po, international o ano?
Local.
Local.
Sir,
o sa
chismis
sa
yan.
Pilipinas.
Kailangan mo gawin yun.
So, parang ano naman, collab talaga like a project or something.
Like a singer, sino ang gusto mo makasama?
Madami na po kasi ako
Anong klaseng
ano eh.
awitin ang gusto mong kanta?
Madami na po kasi ako nakatrabaho like na mga nakasama sa mga shows din and all. Siguro like if ever na duet or like siguro
Sa isang show na gusto mong makipag-collab
or like ang gusto ko talagang
like Regine
ano
Velasquez,
nakatrabaho ko po na si ate. Pero yung mga senyoras po natin sa music like Ate Regine, Sir Martin, Tito Gary.
like Lia Salonga.
I would like siguro to record a song with with Manang Lea. Manang Lea.
Please.
What's her next kid?
And ano po, siguro sa lalaki, I would like to do a song with Stel from SB19.
Bakla ba yun?
Uy. Hindi ko pwede sabi. I don't wanna answer that question. You cut that. I love Stel and I love SB19. They're going here, diba? So I would like a collab song. Actually, if you really know me and paano ako nag-start, I was a wardrobe assistant for Miss Lea Salonga.
Yes.
When I was starting in theater. Yeah.
Wow.
That's my first professional job in theater. So, ako taga-laban ng mga ano niya, mga undergarments niya, taga-plancha, taga-steam, taga-dala ng sa dressing room niya. So, I work with her.
Wow.
So, I really love Manang Lea. So, we call her Manang. And I work with her for a year. Yun. Isa siya din sa mga ano ko din, mga idol ko din. Nasa Starstruck pa nga din ako doon pag sa Nakuday. Gagawin sa sana. Nakuday.
Na-inspired ka sa kanya.
Mm.
Wow.
Siya sila Ate Regine, talaga si Manang Lea. Mga idol ko nung 80s, sila Donna Cruz, yan. Yung mga, sa international naman, si Whitney Houston and Mariah Carey. Yan talaga, Michael Jackson.
Mga birita
and
niya, na? Mga birita
So yun,
talaga.
so yun po yung pangarap ko siguro with Manang Lea. And
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, Lea.
Okay.
and I am a